Hello students, let's solve this math problem where we are going to find the value of x. The equation is x plus 6 upon 4 plus x minus 3 upon 5 equals 5x minus 4 upon 8. So here we see that all the x terms are in fractions. So first we'll solve the right hand side where we have the denominator as 4 and 5 and we'll take the LCM of the denominator. The LCM of 4 and 5 will be 4 times 5 which is 20. The term here will be 5 times x plus 6 and the other term will be 4 times x minus 3. As the denominator is 4, 4 is cancelled, so only 5 is left. So we are going to multiply the numerator by 5, 5 times x plus 6. And here the same thing will happen, 5 will be cancelled. So the numerator will be multiplied by 4, 4 times x minus 3. And the right hand side remains the same, 5x minus 4 upon 8. So we'll open the brackets here or distribute the number. So 5 times x plus 5 times 6 plus 4 times x. Let's make small brackets, is easier to see. Minus 4 times 3 divided by 4 times 5 which is 20 equals 5 times x, 5x minus 4 upon 8. So this is going to be 5x plus 5 times 6 is 30 plus 4 times x is 4x minus 4 times 3 is 12 divided by 20 equals 5x minus 4 upon 8. So 5x plus 4x will be 9x plus 30 minus 12 is 18 divided by 20 equals 5x minus 4 upon 8. Now we have two fractions and an equal sign in between, so we can cross multiply the two fractions. So by cross multiplying, we'll have 9x plus 18. The numerator here is multiplied by 8, the denominator of the other fraction, and here the numerator which is 5x minus 4 is multiplied by the denominator of the other fraction. Now we can distribute and simplify it further. 8 times 9x plus 8 times 18 equals 20 times 5x minus 20 times 4. So 8 times 9 will be 72. So that's 72x plus 8 times 18 is 8. 8 times 8 is 64. 6 is carried over. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. So 144 equals 20 times 5 is 100. So that's 100x minus 20 times 4 is 80. Now we'll move the x terms to the left hand side. So that's 72x minus 100x equals minus 80 minus 144. So 100 minus 72 will be 28x, and as 100 is bigger, so negative sign will be there. So negative 28x equals minus 80 and minus 140. As both the numbers have negative sign, they will get added. 80 plus 144 will be 224. Negative 224. So to find the value of x, we are going to divide both the sides by negative 28. So that's negative 224 divided by negative 28. So x will be equal to, this negative and negative side gets cancelled, and there's a common factor of 4. So 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 5 is 20. 2 is remainder. 4 times 6 is 24. We can simplify it further. 7 times 1 is 7 and 7 times 8 is 56. So the final value of x is 8. This is how we simplify and solve for x in these type of equations. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.